Happy Easter, everyone. Tomorrow is the first day of the trial of Matt Hoover, better known as CRS Firearms. What's up, Wolverines, and welcome back to John Crump News, where we talk about everything 2A related. I'm your host, John Crump. I'm an investigative journalist that keeps an eye on gun issues. And before we get into today's story, I want to show you guys something. This is my SBR'd Strybog. I SBR'd it a few months ago, but I did not put a stock on it because I was waiting for this little puppy to get here. And it finally came back in stock, and I got it from Atlantic Firearms. It is a great stock for a Strybog. I really like it, and yeah, it was worth the couple month wait that I had to wait. SBR'd this back in December, and it just took forever for this little puppy to come back into stock. All right, with that out of the way, you guys are here to learn about the trial of Matt Hoover, and I talked to CRS Firearms, aka Matt Hoover, and he wanted everyone to know this trial is open to the public. There will be no video of it or Zoom or anything like that. So if you want to watch the trial, you actually have to go in person. And it starts tomorrow in Jacksonville at 9 a.m. And it will be in Courtroom 10B before Judge Marcia Morales Howard. So Courtroom 10B in the Jacksonville courthouse, which is a federal courthouse. And you can go there and support Matt. I was planning on going originally, but there's some family stuff that is going on that is very important for me to be here for my family and this trying time. Not going to get too much into it besides my father-in-law is having brain surgery, but I'm not going to really get into it that much, but I need to be here for that. But if you can make it to the Jacksonville courtroom, it is Courtroom 10B in the Jacksonville courthouse. And Matt goes on trial at 9 a.m., so you have to show up a little bit early. Dress nice, something like this. Don't show up in your shall not be infringed shirt or anything like that. If you do go, make sure that you are respectful and you do dress up, because that will help Matt. If you're disrespectful or you wear shall not be infringed stuff, that won't really help Matt. Remember, it's just not impressing the judge, but it is what the jury sees. They have a interesting case on their hands, the state, and I think it's going to be a hard case to prosecute, but I never, ever want to be in that situation that Matt is in. Hopefully he is found not guilty on all charges and he walks. Hopefully Justin Irvin, who is the creator of the auto key card, also walks, because it's not a machine gun. It is a freaking drawing, and they're not allowed to make pleas on the First or Second Amendment, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. It is something that the courts do to prevent jury nullification, but they say you cannot make a case on the First or Second Amendment, but you can always appeal or ask this judge for summary judgment after that on those grounds. So we'll just have to see what happens here. I will be praying for CRS Firearms, and I really hope that you guys do pray for him as well. If you're not religious, that's fine. Just keep him in your thoughts, because he is fighting the good fight, and there is a overzealous prosecutor that is trying to prosecute him on something that's not even a crime, because they are so anti-gun, and it all goes back to the anti-gun organization known as the ATF. And this is not justice. This is injustice, and we have to stand behind a man that is being prosecuted by the federal government for something that is totally legal and something that he shouldn't be. Once again, it is an overzealous prosecutor from an organization that is out of control, the ATF, and should be disbanded. And I'm going to keep on poking that bear. I'm going to just poke that bear as much as I can because I don't like the ATF and they should not exist. All right, guys, that is it for me today. Say a prayer for Matt. Keep him in your thoughts. And remember, I will keep you informed of everything that happens. But until then, stay ever vigilant, stay ever free, keep in the fight. I am out of here. Wolverines, mother.